f and g are defined from 0 to infinity to r, be any two functions defined by, so f of x is equal to integral minus infinity to infinity modulus t minus t square of e power minus t square dt. So this is what f function. And coming to the point of g, mod t minus t square into e power minus t square dt, and g of x equal to t power 1 by 2 and e power minus t square dt. And then find the value of 9 of f of root log 9 plus g of root log 9 equal to how much? So take a look at this solution part. So first we will consider g of x value. G of x was given as 0 to x square t power 1 by 2 into e power minus t square dt. So let us consider t power of means root t. So we will consider root t as y square or root t as y. Automatically t value will be y square, and try to differentiate on both of the sides. Then dt value will be 2y square into dy. Okay, we will substitute and we will confirm the lower limit and upper limit also. So if you take a look at that lower limit, which is 0, and y is also 0. And if you take a look at that upper limit, and it will be x square become x. T value we will take x square, and y square equal to x square means it will be y value will be x. So therefore f of g of x is equal to from 0 to x now it is, and e power e power what minus y square, because t square it is, so it will be e power minus y square and 2y square dy. Okay, and then this one equal to 2 times of, you can write 0 to x, convert into normal t values, then it will be, you can change the variable, no problem. Y can be replaced by again t, then t square into e power minus t square dt you can write in the place of g of x. And also we'll consider f of x. Take a look at that f of x, how they mentioned. Mod t, if you take double this value, then minus x 2 plus x, that limits become 0 to x, because we double that integral value. And this is 0 to x is a positive quantity, so mod t become t and then minus t square and e power minus t square dt. Now he is asking to calculate f of x plus g of x, so that we will add these two values together, f of x plus g of x. So 2 times of 0 to x t into e power minus t square dt. I am separating this f of x, separately writing t and t square. These values I am separating. So 0 to x t square into e power minus t square dt. And then also we have to add the value g of x. So g of x, look at this value, 2 into integral 0 to x t square into e power minus t square dt. Of course, these two things got cancelled. Therefore, f of x plus g of x is now 2 times of 0 to x t into e power minus t square dt. Now we have to solve this integral value. For this integral value, there are two ways you can solve. If e power minus t square is there, so we should solve with substitution method. So for that consider t square. Let t square equal to say u. Then it will be 2t dt will be du. Then f of x plus g of x become f of x plus g of x become 2 times of limits are also changed accordingly, 0 to x square and e power minus p and 1 by 2 du. This 2 got cancelled and this equal to 0 to x square e power minus p. Of course, it is not p, u it is. Just 1 minute. This integral was e power minus u divided by minus 1, and we will apply the upper limit and lower limit for this one. So f of x plus g of x is equal to minus of, first we will write upper limit and minus lower limit. If you multiply with this minus, so minus of e power minus x square minus 1. On multiplication, we got 1 minus e power minus x square. Okay, this is the function. And he is asking to calculate root log 9. Okay. F of root log 9 plus g of root log 9. I just replaced it with this numbers and I also multiplied with 9. So 9 times of, we know the function was f of x plus g of x together. This is together is equal to this one. So 1 minus e power minus root log 9. Of course, it has a square. Square and root got cancelled. So 9 times of 1 minus e power minus log 9. Okay, and this overall base and 9 you can exchange. So 9 times of 1 minus 9 power minus log e. You can exchange the base change rule. When you can use the base change rule. So 9 times of 1 minus 9 power minus 1, because log e base e is 1. So 9 times of 1 minus 1 by 9. So 9 into 1, 9 minus 1, which is 8 answer for this question.